How to make PayPal payment links to Canva website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to create payment links within your PayPal account for your Canva website. So we are going to head over paypal.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see you are going to be on the admin dashboard. If you're going to have an individual or a personal account, it is not going to work out because it needs a professional account or a business account. You need only to switch up to business account. Once we have set up this, we can go ahead and see that we can have the quick access on our account to get payment links and buttons. We're going to click on this and we're going to have payment link or QR code. We're going to create our product real quick. For example, I don't know, here we are going to have smart watch. Description is going to be here. I don't know, you're going to have your description. The price, one set price, so we're going to have it maybe as $120. You can go and choose the currency. Quantity, you can go ahead and have here a quantity as a maximum of, for example, to buy at once, of course, 5 to buy at once. You can add the images of the product. I'm not going to add images here. You can also show more options like having customer note, product ID, for example, variants, inventory, whatever. Then you're going to click on build it. Now we are going to have a link. This link we're going to copy it. Head over Canva, choose up the website that we have. So we're going to search for the website. Oh, it doesn't matter a lot. This is a website. Now we are going basically to add the buy or add a buy now button, for example, like that. I'm going to click on edit. Click on buy now button. We're going to have the link just like that. I'm going to undo the link and it is going to be gone. So we're going to click on here. I'm going to ungroup this. We're going to head over link. Paste, click done, and boom. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.